How to start a calcium chloride manufacturing business. Hello, entrepreneurs. Are you looking to dive into the chemical manufacturing industry? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring how to set up a successful calcium chloride manufacturing business. From understanding the market to setting up your production line, we've got it all covered. So, let's get started. Overview of calcium chloride. First up, what exactly is calcium chloride? It's a versatile inorganic compound, commonly used in deicing roads, in dust control, and as a desiccant among other applications. Its wide range of uses in various industries makes it a lucrative product to manufacture. Let's break down its uses and why it's in demand. Market research. Before you start any business, understanding your market is crucial. For calcium chloride, you'll want to identify your primary customers, could be governments for road maintenance, companies in the oil and gas sector, or manufacturers in the food industry. Analyzing the current market trends, customer needs, and competitor strategies is key. Here's how to do thorough market research. Business planning. Next, let's talk about planning. Your business plan should detail your business model, expected startup and operational costs, pricing strategy, and revenue projections. It should also include regulatory considerations, as chemical manufacturing involves environmental and safety regulations. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting a solid business plan. Setting up your manufacturing facility. Now, on to the exciting part, setting up your manufacturing facility. Choosing the right location is critical. Consider factors like proximity to key customers, access to raw materials, and regulatory compliances. You'll also need to plan your production process, from raw material handling to final product packaging. Let's walk through setting up an efficient production line. Obtaining licenses and permits. Before you begin production, you'll need the appropriate licenses and permits. This can vary widely depending on where you are located, so it's important to consult with local authorities and possibly hire legal help to navigate this complex area. Here are the common licenses and permits needed for a chemical manufacturing business. Launch and marketing strategies. Finally, how do you launch and market your new manufacturing business? Developing a strong brand and online presence, attending trade shows, and networking within industry circles are great ways to start. Additionally, digital marketing strategies can be particularly effective. Here are some marketing tactics that have proven successful for startups in the chemical industry. And that wraps up our guide to starting a calcium chloride manufacturing business. Remember, thorough preparation and understanding of the industry are key to your success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business insights. Plant and machinery requirements. 1. Reaction vessels. Calcium chloride is typically produced through the reaction of limestone, calcium carbonate, or calcium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid. High quality, corrosion-resistant reaction vessels are essential for these chemical reactions. 2. Filtration units. After the chemical reaction, the solution needs to be filtered to remove impurities. Industrial filtration units are necessary to ensure the purity and quality of the produced calcium chloride. 3. Evaporators and dryers. To convert the filtered solution into either its flake, prill, or pellet form, evaporators and dryers are used. These should be capable of handling large volumes to maintain production efficiency. 4. Material handling equipment. Conveyors, forklifts, and hoppers for moving raw materials and finished products are essential to maintain a smooth workflow and minimize labor costs. 5. Packaging machinery. Automatic packing machines help in efficiently packaging calcium chloride in various formats, ensuring they are ready for distribution while meeting industry standards. 6. Control systems. automated control systems for monitoring the production process can help in maintaining product consistency and quality. These systems also aid in reducing waste and energy consumption. 7. Safety equipment. Due to the corrosive nature of the raw materials used in the production of calcium chloride, proper safety equipment, including chemical-resistant clothing, gloves, and eyewear, is critical for protecting employees. Opportunities for startups. 1. Market demand. There is consistent demand for calcium chloride, especially in regions with cold climates due to its use in de-icing. Additionally, its application in dust control, moisture control, and the food industry ensures multiple revenue streams. 2. Innovation in production. Startups can explore innovative production methods that reduce energy consumption or utilize waste materials from other industries, thus offering a competitive edge in sustainability. 3. Niche markets. Targeting niche markets such as eco-friendly de-icing solutions or specialized food-grade calcium chloride can allow startups to capture and dominate smaller, less competitive markets. 4. Global supply chains. As a fundamental chemical with diverse applications, calcium chloride has a significant place in global supply chains. Startups can strategically position themselves as reliable suppliers in international markets. 5. Regulatory compliance. Compliance with environmental and safety regulations not only ensures the legal operation but can also be marketed as a commitment to sustainability, appealing to ethically conscious consumers and businesses. The right plant and machinery are fundamental to the successful operation of a calcium chloride manufacturing business. By leveraging technological advancements and strategic market positioning, startups have ample opportunities to establish themselves in this profitable industry. At NEER Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, we specialize in aiding entrepreneurs to establish and thrive in new industries. If you're considering setting up a calcium chloride manufacturing business, we offer comprehensive support through the preparation of a market survey cum detailed techno-economic feasibility report. This essential report provides a wealth of information to help you understand and navigate the complexities of starting a new industry. Here's how NPCS can help you. At NPCS, we are dedicated industrial project consultants providing detailed project reports and business plans tailored to meet the unique needs of each entrepreneur looking to set up new industries or business projects. Our expertise and detailed approach ensure that you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to launch and succeed in your new venture. Have any questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.